3/4 of a cup of milk, 200 grams of dark chocolate, 100 grams of butter, 250 grams of tea biscuits, and 4 teaspoons of sugar. Our first step would be to smash the biscuits. We can take any tool we have in our kitchen, and we can also use our hands, and we basically need to smash the biscuits into little crumbs, and that will be our texture for the chocolate balls. Next step would be to break the chocolate into cubes. We put them in a mixing bowl that can go into the microwave. I prefer glass. Then we're gonna cut the butter and put it into the mixing bowl with the chocolate. We're gonna put that in the microwave for about a minute. When it's melted, we're gonna take it out and mix it so we can get a nice and even mixture. Our next step would be the milk and the sugar. So we have 3/4 of a cup of milk. We combine that with 4 teaspoons of sugar. We put that in the microwave for about another minute, so it will be heated. Once it's heated, we're gonna put it into the chocolate mixture and mix it all together to get a nice and even mixture. Our next step would be to combine our two mixtures. We have the biscuit and the chocolate mixture. We're gonna mix them together. So we put the chocolate into the bigger bowl and mix it all together very nice, and that's basically our mixture for the chocolate balls. Our next step is creating balls out of the mixture. You can do it however you like. I use gloves and wash them and use water to make it non-stick to my hand. It's really up to you. You can use ice cream spoon or teaspoons or your hands. It's definitely up to you. You just create balls and put them on a tray. Now, we're going to move it to the fridge for about 3 hours or a little more. It's up to you. And that's it. You have made chocolate balls, my favorite Israeli dessert in the world.